You look like our iconic artist, Black Coffee. Do you know Black Coffee from South Africa?
Black Coffee?
Yes.
Coffee.
You know him?
Let me see a picture. Let me see.
Yeah, just show him the picture. You look exactly like him and you like music.
Yes, like music.
And you like music. What's your name?
You said him? Kofi is a girl.
No.
Yes.
Indoda
Spell him.
No. Just black for black and coffee for coffee when it's winter
coffee.
here in US. Black coffee.
Oh, Black Coffee.
I'm thinking of Kofi, the one, the other girl. She's from
What
somewhere
are you, a
else.
content creator?
Yeah, hey, you see, you look like him. Hey, if you can put the hand on the pocket, you would be exactly like him.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he always put the hand on it. He's a DJ, he's an international DJ from South Africa. He's a very good man.
Good.
Yeah, you look like him. You are so tota kumnyama puka jengai.
Huh?
Umnyama puka jengai. Yeah, say hi to him. Say hi to him.
Hello, y'all. How y'all doing? You all right? Welcome, America. Welcome.
Yeah. Say hi to Black Coffee.
Black Coffee, how you doing, brother? All the way from New York City. Harlem, New York. Right now you live. Manhattan. 42nd to be exact.
Okay, thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Yes. Hey, Black Coffee. Yabo Uncle Zam. Do you know Black Coffee? No. You don't know? Oh, you know the people at your age. Yeah. He put their hand here always.